Hi, thanks for joining us today. So we're going to be reviewing the Vtech Touch and Teach elephant. Uh, that's quite the tongue twister, so if you can say that 10 times fast, you're doing good. Vtech Touch and Teach elephant. Okay, I'm not going to try right now, but you might be asking what it teaches, and it teaches numbers, letters, and words. If you see me looking off, it's because I'm looking at my notes to make sure I include everything. But it comes in three different colors. It comes in this blue color, a purple, like a light colored purple, and then a green turtle. So two elephants and a turtle. And it has 16 interactive pages. So on each page, there's essentially three different settings that you can turn to, and so three different activities that you can do on each page, which is nice because it keeps the kiddos busy for quite a while. So the one thing, my concern when I first got this was the fact that it has these paper pages. My son, I think he was about 6 months when we got it for him, and I think the age, like the suggested age range is between 12 and 36 months. So when we first got it for him, he wasn't as engaged with it. He enjoyed the little songs that it does and pressing the buttons. But now that he's a little bit older, he's 14 months now. He definitely likes to play with it a little bit more. He's definitely engaging with it more and interacting with it more. So. But oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say, is that with these pages, because they're paper, he definitely likes to hunt and gather, and gather anything he can around the house and eat it. So he's one of those kids that tries to eat stickers and things like that. So we're trying to break him of that habit. But I was worried that he was going to eat the pages out of here. And so these pages are pretty sturdy. They're really thick paper. And we've left him alone with the toy. And so far, so good. There's no nibble marks or anything like that. So he's one of those weird kids that likes vegetables like spinach and carrots and doesn't, want to eat the strawberries. So not sure, but we'll see what happens with that. The other thing I was going to say is that he's pretty rough with it. Like he kind of plays rough. And so this toy has definitely withstood a lot of bumps and drops and things like that. And it's definitely a sturdy toy. So that's one of the things that we look for when we buy a toy. So those are two good features. And I guess we'll just get into what the buttons do. Okay, so right now it's obviously in the off setting, but the other three modes, there's the ABC mode, there's the Explore mode, and there's the Music mode. And so there's buttons here on top that light up, and there's buttons here on bottom, and then there's this one fun little spinning roll toy that serves absolutely no purpose but to spin it and roll it. And then there's a question button right here. So if you want, on any setting, if you wanted to ask a question, it will do it on its own. But if it's not, or if you wanted to ask quicker, you hit the question button and it'll ask you a question, as you'll see. Okay, so let's turn it to on, the ABC mode. So it starts out with this cute little song, and you can stop it by either pressing a button or turning the page.
Let's learn A, B, C, D.
Okay, elephant is going to the beach. Elephant takes an apple. So we can wait for it to ask a question, which I think it will do here in a second.
Can you find the letter A?
Okay, and it's lighting up. So it kind of tells you what the answer is, which is kind of neat. But if you have one of those competitive kids, they might like that. It might be a good thing, might not be. I don't know. But
You found the letter A.
I'm competitive, so I don't like when it lights up. But A, okay. And let's see. Let's ask it. Let's press this button.
Can you find the letter B?
Okay, I'm just gonna hit C just to see what it happens. Okay.
C. Can you find the letter B?
So when I got the right answer with A, it gave me a round of applause. When I answered C, it's kind of nice because it doesn't make you feel bad, but it doesn't give you a round of applause. It just asks the same question again. So I'll hit the right answer this time.
You found the letter B.
Yay. Okay, so now let's move on to Explore.
Turn the page to Explore. Elephant stops at the playground.
So there it read the first sentence for me. Let's say I wanted to ask a question.
Can you find the elephant?
So then here's the elephant. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you.
You found the elephant.
So these lights obviously correspond with the letter below it. And on the music mode, or on the ABC mode, the first one that we did, we have these buttons down here.
Learn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's essentially the ABC mode / 1, 2, 3 mode, okay? Because it just lists off the numbers that you hit, okay? Then when we move over to the Explore mode,
turn the page to elephant, stop, pig.
So there's all these different kinds of animals down here, and it'll make the sound of the animal. So I wanted to show you that too. All right, let's move on to music. That's the last setting. So essentially every button just plays a little tune. I don't know if it's a different tune for every page. Let's see. Oh, it is. So that's fun. Okay, and then on the numbers or on the buttons down here, it's actually just like a piano. So that's kind of fun too. And then when you
the page to listen to music.
Okay. All right. Oh, and then we were on the lower volume setting.
Listen to music.
That's a louder volume setting. So I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. There is the Vtech Touch and Teach Elephant, and I hope that answered any questions you have. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great time. Great day.